Hey there, I just received a Nature Sunshine shipment and I actually tore into the box, excited to see what was in it, and forgot that I should have put that on camera. At any rate, so I've got things sitting here on my desk that I've just unpacked and dove into, and I thought we would take a moment to talk about what we've got here. First off, we've got liquid chlorophyll, claim to fame, right? If you're familiar with Nature Sunshine, this is one of our strongest products. Liquid chlorophyll is made from the stuff that turns plants green. Specifically, we're doing it from mulberry leaves, and it is flavored with a bit of spearmint oil. Now, this one in particular is preserved with glycerin. We used to use parabens, we don't anymore. This one now has glycerin. So for those of us who are avoiding parabens, this is a really great choice. How do you use this? You put a squirt of this, I think the bottle says 5 mils or 2 teaspoons, which would be 10 mils in a glass of water 4 times a day. So you put this into water and you just drink it. It is loaded with various naturally occurring minerals and it tastes really yummy with that spearmint oil. I have a lot of young mums who put this into their children's water bottles and they tell their children that it is go juice or happy juice. And of course that makes the kids want to drink it. I had one mom years ago who would do a big jug of this, just like a big two quart jug, 2-liter jug. She would fill it up with this and she'd put in the bendy straws and she would call her children and tell them that the happy juice was ready. And because none of the kids wanted to be left out and they each wanted to have a lot of it, they would come running to the jug and they'd all be drinking out of the same jug, just have their own straw and try to get more than their brother or sister did. It was really funny. All right, so that's liquid chlorophyll. And that was one way that she got her kids to drink more water. Then we have Liv-GD, which is a beautiful liver support product. It has in it milk thistle, which has a real claim to fame for being able to help with phase 1 and phase 2 liver detox. This also contains silymarin. It has a little bit of vitamin C, some inositol, some vitamin C, and some choline. Beautiful, beautiful liver support. Then we have Magnesium Complex. We've talked a lot about Magnesium Complex. We love magnesium for the way it helps to relax the body. We love magnesium for the way that it can help some people's intestinal tracts work a little bit better as well. Magnesium is known as the relaxing mineral. Super omega-3, another one we've spent a lot of time talking about. Super omega-3, any of the omega-3s actually are well known as being good for the cardiovascular system, for being good for the nervous system, and for helping with hormone balance. So super omega-3 might be helpful for you in any of those areas. I use a lot of that here in the office. CAATC, this is a blend of herbs that are very rich in calcium. Now the ATC adds definition to what this product is all about. What Nature Sunshine does is they take that original batch of calcium-rich herbs, they turn them into a liquid extract, and then they dehydrate that, and while it's dehydrating, they spray it back onto a new batch of herbs. Why? Because that gives about 4 times the potency per capsule. So for people who are looking for a calcium-rich blend, a mineral-rich blend of herbs, and they don't want to be taking a lot of capsules, this might be a good answer. Catnip and fennel is one of the liquid herbs that I used with my children when they were young, and I still recommend this, especially for my clients who have young children. I really recommend this because catnip is a relaxing nervine. Fennel is a digestive aid. And so when we've got a child who's prone to upset tummy or things like that, catnip and fennel can be very helpful. I used to tell my clients, if there's something wrong with your child, try catnip and fennel. And if that doesn't work, call me. And I still believe that this is great for just about everything that affects children. And I believe that is everything that, oh no, there's one more. Yeah, I actually tore this one open. I was so excited. And I've used this before, but I actually tried filming this once and my camera jammed on me. So I was in the middle of filming it, but here we go. Super Trio. Super Trio. Now, why is Super Trio so great? I have some clients who I would really like to have on big programs, on programs that are custom built for them, but their lives are busy or they don't like swallowing pills, and we need to keep things very tight and very concise for them. And so that's where Super Trio comes in. Super Trio comes in a package that's a box, and in the box there are 2 individual Ziploc bags, and in each bag there are 30 individual little packets. Each little packet has in it a super multi, an omega-3, and a super antiox, which is an antioxidant blend. This is designed to be taken 2 packets a day, 1 in the morning, probably with breakfast, and 1 in the evening, probably with supper. Do you see how convenient that is? If you've got a busy person who's on the go a lot, they can grab 2 packets and be on their way. Or if you've got someone who doesn't like to swallow pills, that's only 6 pills a day, they might be able to get that down. The other thing that I love this for is for traveling. When I'm traveling, I like to travel light. I like to just take the least amount possible. And so I'll often just, if I'm going for a couple of weeks, I'll just grab a bag like this, and that's going to be most of what I take for my supplements for that time away from home. So that is what came in the box today. And I hope that was useful for you. You will find the link to be able to order any of these in the comments. I look forward to talking with you soon. Make it a healthy day. Bye for now.